Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In this video I'm going to show you how to print the checklist items via the Reporter plugin. So, as I said, you will need not only the checklist plugin but also the Reporter. So you have to go to our site, that is RedmineUP.com, and then go to Products, and here you have to search for Reporter. So here it is. This is the plugin that is needed for doing the report and printing the checklist items. Okay, so to do it, you have to, after you install the Reporter plugin, you have to go to Plugins and then Reporter, and here you have to create a new template. So, in our article in the checklist documentation we have given two examples, and I'm going to show you these examples. However, there are a lot of other possibilities of printing things, not only checklist items but also issues and many more. Okay, so the first one is just listing the checklist items. So we copy paste the template example that we used in our site, and then click on New Report here and name it, for example, Listing Checklist Items. Make sure you have type issue, and then orientation you could set landscape or portrait. It is up to you. Alright, so let's try and see how it will appear. Here is our issue, and we have a lot of checklist items. Some of them are checked, some of them not. So you have to click on the 3 points here, and then here is the reports button. So we click on it, and then this is the one that we have just created. So you click and see it. These are the checklist items of this issue. Checklist, and these are the items. Okay, so the second one is listing them and showing if they are checked or unchecked. So we copy paste the example code and create a new report. So it will be checklist items checked or unchecked. Okay, so we paste the source code itself and create it. Okay, so now we repeat the steps of clicking here onto the 3 points, and then reports, and then checklist items checked or unchecked. So here it is. We have this one, put your thoughts on paper, checked true or unchecked false. So it is in our case false. Let's double check and see. False, yeah, so it is unchecked. So the other one is start sketching on a top level framework, which is checked. So indeed it is stated to be true, so it is checked, and so on for all other checklist items. So these were the two examples that we have given in our site for printing the checklists. So you could also extend your report by adding some other text or some formatting or some other attributes from the issue and so on. However, this example, we hope it is helpful for you and you like it. So yeah, if you have any questions or problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com. So thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.